So hi guys, what's up? It's Barsha. Welcome back to my channel, and also a very happy Merry Christmas. Next day actually. Yesterday was Christmas. I didn't really do anything. I was home the whole time. Yeah, evening I just went out for a walk, so I didn't shoot. Nothing special, but today I'm gonna go have lunch at a friend's place. So I thought I'll just take you guys along. It's winter and December's almost ending. I hope next year is a bright and a better year. As we all know, this year was full of problems, but I had quite a good one. Anyway, so I'm gonna go and get the cake too. I ordered some cupcakes for my friend since I'm going to her place for lunch. Christmas special, like I said. Hope you guys enjoy watching the video, and do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Let me get ready now. That's messy. Before going, let me just show you what I wore. So I wore my flare jeans, I'll wear boots, and then this top is from Mango, a turtleneck sweater, and a bag, and a Gucci belt. And yeah, that's it. That's me, yeah. That's my Santa sock, so cute, right? Got it from a local shop here. Anyways, I'm wearing my boots now. That's my OOTD, and here's the cupcake, I'll show you. And here's my car. So my uncle is dropping me, and here's my uncle. Hi, go. Hi. So funny. Okay, we are on our way to my friend's place now. So, yeah. Here's the cake. Oh, so it's written Merry Xmas. Cute, no? Hi. মই যেটা ব্লগ বনাই আছিলো জানা হ্যাঁ এইটো ব্লগ বনাই এতিয়া তুমি আহিলা ছি 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 কিবা কি কোন ব্লগ now she's lighting the Christmas tree. We just had our lunch. Oh, by the way, that's Malaya. You have seen her already in my Jaipur vlog. Oh, hello. Hi. Where am I? Hey, that's me. Hairdresser. She's feeling shy. Look at her. Almost there. So after curling the hair, how do you need to break it? Like this. Like this.
Oh my god, this is so fine.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, ready.
Oh god.
So I just reached home from my friend's place. I didn't record and all much because I was very busy having fun. So yeah, anyway, so it's already getting dark, plus it's getting very cold, so I wore my overcoat, and I think I'll go out again in some time after it's dark. So yeah, let me go get freshen up, and then I'll catch you guys again. Hey guys, so I got changed because I'm going out for dinner with my friends, and they're waiting downstairs. But then I thought I'll just give you a quick brief of where I'm going. So I'm going to this place called Cygnett Park, Meghna. It's a very famous place here. It's a hotel. They serve some really yummy food. Also, you can have poolside dinner and all, etc. You'll see, you'll find out. So I'm going out with my friends for dinner. Since it's the winter time and it's after Christmas and before New Year, the vibe is actually very good. It's cold, it's winter, I love winter, so I'm in a very good mood. And You can see the mess behind me. This is like a daily scene. Daily scene as in whenever I'm going out or getting ready, this would be probably every time this scene would be going on. And I know a lot of you can relate to that. If you can, comment below down. And I'll clean it up after I come back. That's like, I have to do it or my mom is gonna screw me up anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna get late now. My friend's gonna get pissed off. So I gotta go now. And you guys keep watching. Welcome to Cygnett Market. So 2020 is ending soon and we had an amazing year. This is my last vlog of 2020. Also, I think you have seen her in all my videos. Almost all my vlogs. तो क्या तुम नहीं लेना चाहते मुझे अपना vlog में इसलिए कैसे खींचा ना this सुंदर girl is in my vlog. Oh my god, thank you. कॉम्प्लीमेंट के लिए हाँ, और इसलिए तो मुझे और भी सब्सक्राइबर्स मिल गया बिकॉज ऑफ हर. इतना सुंदर शक्ल को मेरा वीडियो में दिखा के कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया. हाँ, इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी हॉट. I mean cold outside, so I wore this one and there's another one inside and then this overcoat, but it's quite hot inside. What happened to the music? 1, 2, 3. So here's my green tea. I got some lemon and some honey. Here. And I'm gonna squeeze the lemon in my green tea. I thought they are gonna drip by themselves, but see, customer have to do. Perfect blend of lemon and green tea. Next day of Christmas and 2020 is ending soon, so yeah.
How was your 2020?
2020 for me,
Yes.
it was actually nice, to be honest. It was actually nice. Like, I was home, I got to explore myself, and then because of YouTube I was kind of busy. I wasn't that bored. Plus I explored a lot of rural places in my hometown, Bongaigaon, because of 2020. It was bad somewhat, but I had fun too. Plus the person behind the camera, she helped me a lot to vlog. Even now she's helping. So thank you, Nandini. Lots of love. I also learned how to bake in 2020. Then I gained a lot of confidence in 2020, if I'm not wrong. Plus, I got to do 2 music videos in 2020. Oh, my New Year resolution.
Yes.
Maybe to be a better person and to focus on my career and to give you guys more quality content videos. This is my last video of 2020. I just hope you guys will like it. Enjoy watching it. And do not forget to, like I always say, do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And to the people who have been with me since the very first vlog. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Thank you for all the support. And I really, really love you guys. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy New Year, guys! I am at Astha right now with my family, with my mom and dad, beginning the year with some good vibes. So, there's like this kind of houses here one, that side one, but we can't get in. I don't know for what, but whatever it is, it's nice that even in Bongaigaon, you know, like a small town, there are places like this in the outskirts where you can come and chill with your family. So yeah, okay, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Also, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. So crowded today. That's Pavel. Would you like to say hi?
Hi.
So the place is very crowded today, very, but it's nice. This is the most famous place in Bongaigaon, you can say, in the hometown. Yeah, a lot of families came here today. Actually, you can come here, do some boating too. Where's the boat? Yeah, that's the boat. Nice place. Ending the my video here, and yeah, a very happy new year to all of you. I wish this year brings everyone joy and success, and I hope you all have a healthy and happy life. Bye, take care, love you, see you next week.